Hello. Let's dive in and explore how Compliance Engine can transform the way you secure and ensure best practices are configured in your network devices. Digitization has fostered innovation and efficiency, and on the flip side, it has also opened up new avenues for cyber threats. Cybersecurity threats have become more sophisticated and rampant, causing substantial financial and reputational damages to enterprises globally. In light of the escalating threats, the implementation of secure configurations across network devices and systems has become more crucial than ever. In response to the pressing need for robust cybersecurity measures, we present Compliance Engine Platform, a comprehensive solution designed for network infrastructure in alignment with globally recognized security controls. Our product embodies the principles of secure configuration and best practices, offering dynamic protection and operational efficiencies against the ever-evolving cybersecurity threats, ensuring business continuity. Let's get started. Compliance Engine natively integrates with any organization's LDAP or AD. It's all about easy and secure role-based access. Here's your new command center. This dashboard is where you'll see everything that matters, laid out intuitively for quick navigation and decision-making. Need a quick update on your network devices? Our inventory summary gives you a clear snapshot of your switches, routers, firewalls, and more, all at a glance. Effortlessly align your network management system with manual records. Our tool simplifies reconciliation by automatically comparing devices in your NMS with those in a CMDB, ensuring every device is accounted for without the hassle of manual reconciliation. Stay ahead and avoid the surprises of support deadlines. Our system proactively alerts you about devices approaching their last date of support, including those nearing the end of life in 3 months, 1 month, 15 days, or even 1 week. This way, you're always informed and can plan updates and changes efficiently, ensuring your network remains robust and compliant. Similarly, managing software lifecycles is crucial for maintaining a secure and efficient network. Our system keeps an eye on your software, alerting you to those that have passed or are approaching their last date of support. With these proactive updates, you're always ahead, ensuring your devices run the latest, most secure software without the complexity and risk of outdated versions. Our system diligently scans for vulnerabilities, guided by the latest PSIRT advisories from Cisco. We pinpoint vulnerabilities based on the iOS on each device and its specific configuration, ensuring that the reported issues are relevant to your unique network environment. With our comprehensive report, you can easily view critical vulnerabilities, understand their details, and see the affected devices by simply clicking on the advisory ID or software version. This approach keeps your network environment safe, sound, and compliant with the highest security standards. For a network to operate like a well-oiled machine, monitoring critical services is key. Our platform provides a detailed view of the critical services on your devices, ensuring smooth operations. We check if NTP services are in sync, verify the configuration and activity of syslog services, monitor the synchronization of HA pairs from a configuration standpoint, and highlight any insecure users set up on your devices. Ensuring your network is not just operational, but also secure and resilient is crucial. That's where our hardening compliance feature steps in. We thoroughly check the configurations of your devices against the rigorous CIS standards or your organization's own secure guidelines. This means whether you're following industry standards or have tailored security protocols, our system adapts to validate your network devices accordingly. Understanding and managing contract coverage for all your network devices is essential, but it can be a complex task. That's where our final component comes into play. We simplify this by automatically fetching and displaying the contract coverage status of all your network devices. This feature provides you with a clear and comprehensive report, showing you at a glance which devices are covered and which aren't. With this information readily available, you stay informed and can make decisions more effectively, ensuring that your network is not only operational, but also fully supported under your contracts. As we reach the end of our journey through Compliance Engine, it's clear that managing a network's best practices, security, and compliance doesn't have to be a daunting task. With features designed to bring simplicity and efficiency, Compliance Engine empowers you to stay ahead of challenges, ensuring your network is not only robust, but also aligned with the highest standards of performance and security. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough. For more information or to get started, visit our website or contact our support team. Stay connected, stay compliant.